दरख्वास्त पर उस हवाले से हम आपको अपडेट कर रहे हैं। बरह रास्त जो समाअत हुई आप लोगों ने भी वो देखी, उसका अहवाल भी देखा, उसका हुक्मनामा भी लिखवाया जा रहा है।
Since he is no longer the Advocate General of Punjab, he is also appointed as amicus. Full stop. Full stop. To gain the assistance of constitutional experts, in addition, on the criminal, to assist on the criminal side, Mr. Salman Safdar is also appointed amicus. To assist on constitutional matters, we appoint Mr. Raza Rabbani, who is present in court and has agreed to his appointment as such, comma, in addition, Mr. Khalid Javed Khan, former Attorney General of Pakistan, Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed and Mr. Faisal Siddiqui.
Mr. Zahid कर लीजिए सर, जाहिद को आपने कहा, जाहिद इब्राहिम
इन्हों को कर देते हैं,
जाहिद इब्राहिम को कर,
इन्हों कर दें,
जाहिद को कर दीजिएगा,
जाहिद को भी कर देते हैं, मिस्टर जाहिद इब्राहिम, ठीक, and Mr. Yasir Qureshi, who is a legal academic based station working at Oxford University, UK, United Kingdom. Full stop. The learned amicus. Acha, full stop. The learned amicus should submit. The learned amicus appointed on the criminal aspect of the matter should attend to such aspect of the case, and those appointed with regard to constitutional determination to attend to constitutional matters. However, if any amicus wants to attend to the other aspect, they will be at liberty to do so. Full stop. One of the presidential reference had referred to an interview of one of the learned judges who sat on the bench of the Supreme, where the matter was earlier decided by the Supreme Court, which resulted in the decision reported in PLD.
The Supreme Court decision was 79, Supreme Court 53.
In Zulfikar Ali Bhutto v. the State, bracket mein PLD 1979, Supreme Court 38.
53, sir.
53 was
the interim order. 53, and the review mein bhi the. And the review decision therefrom reported as Zulfikar Ali Bhutto v. State, PLD 1979, Supreme Court 741. और तो कोई नहीं, यही दो थे।
Sir, may I make a submission?
Wait a minute. जुमला कैसे शुरू हुआ? Namely Mr. Justice Naseem Hassan Shah. Full stop. And a review and the interview given by him to Mr. Iftikhar Ahmed, then associated with GEO television, and Mr. Kasuri has also referred to. आपकी CMA कौन सी है, कसूरी साहब? CM has also referred to a
CMA 5788 of 2011.
and has also referred to a civil miscellaneous application number 5788/2011, wherein he has filed extracts from the book published by the said judge, titled Constitution, Law and Pakistan Affairs. Italics में कर दें, and published by locally published. ठीक है, ये किताब हमें मिल गई, so आप भी देख लीजिएगा. Full stop. Mr. Farooq Naik, let notice be issued to. I've also heard an interview of Justice Dorab Patel.
जी. Justice Dorab Patel की भी है. We can provide the transcript as well as the video.
अच्छा, इसमें लेके you will do all of these things.
I'll do it.
Mr. Farooq Naik states that there was also an interview given by Justice Dorab Patel, and he will be providing the actual interview on a, what do you call it?
On a YouTube, we'll provide a CD
USB.
CD plus USB. CD plus USB.
Oblique USB. And provide
a transcript
thereof. Full stop. Let notice be also issued to Geo Television because they may have some footage where they did not show. Sometimes if they cut out just important bit, to provide the entire interview that referred to interview that was conducted by Mr. Iftikhar Ahmed. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So we've covered this. जी.
So इसमें under instructions अगर sir
फाइंडिंग थी शफीर रहमान साहब की जो ट्रिब्यूनल की फाइंडिंग थी उसका क्या
सर, उसकी वो ट्रिब्यूनल का वो रिपोर्ट मंगवा लीजिए, बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है. वो
आई नहीं है
अभी तक नहीं आई है सर.
वो आपने फरमाया कि वो तो पब्लिक हो गई. वो पब्लिक हो गई थी.
कैसे पब्लिक भी हो गया?
कंप्लेंट का रिकॉर्ड था वो हाई कोर्ट से नहीं आया.
नहीं,
प्राइवेट कंप्लेंट का रिकॉर्ड
informs us that it is available.
जी वो हो गई थी, पब्लिक भी हो गई थी. It is only the private complaint record which the Lahore High Court could not send and which hasn't been sent thus far.
उसमें रेफरेंस होगा ना रिपोर्ट में.
Mr. Farooq Naik,
रेफरेंस रिपोर्ट में होगा.
if you're going to have people standing behind you who do nothing other than show their face,
no sir,
I'm not asking you anything. Mr. Farooq Naik, you make them work.
Sir, they do work.
No. We're not saying anything.
Okay, I understand.
You make them work.
Definitely, sir.
Okay, so now we are told that report is available.
The report.
The report is available. It was made public by the government.
No, the Supreme Court.
Only the private. आप बताइए.
I'm appearing on behalf of Supreme Court Bar Association, sir. Notices were sent.
ओके, आसमा जहांगीर साहब को दिया था ना?
No, my lord.
नहीं, उसमें दिया था ना नोटिस.
She was president.
Yes, my lord.
तो what about the president?
Sir, he's going alive.
No, I know you're the secretary. Do you represent the president?
No, sir, secretary. I'm secretary, sir.
No, we know you're a secretary.
President, sir, वो बाहर गए, sir.
अच्छा, इसमें मजीद लिख दें. इसमें लिखें. In an earlier order, the president, the Supreme Court Bar Association was also issued notice, and the late Ms. Asma Jahangir was representing SCBA. Full stop. In case SCBA wants to be represented before this court, let them nominate a counsel of their choice.
अगर पाकिस्तान बार काउंसिल को भी कर दें सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार के साथ.
I don't know. They may not be interested.
दीदी साहब नुमाइंदे करते पाकिस्तान बार काउंसिल के. जैसे आपकी
रिकॉर्ड है.
तो जो भी आ जाएं, we can't force him to come. No, but we can't force him. If he's alive, then he should come. No, we're not. देखिए कसूरी साहब, it's not a question of defending anybody. It's just a question of a presidential reference. If he wants to come before us, certainly we'll hear him. We will not stop anyone unless it's completely irrelevant. Then we won't allow, or people coming and using the rostrum to make some sort of a speech. that what we won't permit. We will only hear constitutional and legal arguments, particularly pertaining to the scope of the advisory powers, and if we are satisfied, we proceed further. How to proceed further, those are aspects which we will consider. Ji, isme please write further with regard to the matters. We expect to be assisted on the questions which have already been framed by this court, by the learned, by this court. Full stop. Office is directed to send a copy of the reference along with all orders to the learned amicus to attend to the reference and the questions noted in order dated 21 April 2011, as well as those mentioned herein. Now, we may add after discussion some or better formulate questions later, but these are just roughly what we are saying. With regard to the criminal aspect of the case, we need to be assisted on the scope of direct criminal trial in a murder case by the High Court, precedents in this regard, the scope of whether there was any objection. How the trial came to be conducted by the High Court, and if there were any objections to the trial being conducted by the High Court, and if so, how the same were attended to, how the objections were attended to. Full stop. We also need to be assisted on the evidence, the significance of the evidence of approvers.
आपको बताएं कि हुक्मनामा इस वक्त लिखवाया जा रहा है चीफ जस्टिस की जानिब से, और हुक्मनामे में लिखा गया कि आर्टिकल 186 के तहत सदारती रेफरेंस दायर कर दिया गया।
Is he not coming forward?
Evidence.
मोटिव पे जी साहब आपने ये भी देखना कि ये जो इंटरव्यूज होते हैं इनके रीजंस क्या होते हैं, क्या अचीव करना चाहते हैं, मकसद क्या?
Question of motive तो था in the context of motive of the former Prime Minister in regards to the commission of offence.
सर इसमें सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट
But यहाँ पे bias का question था,
बाइस, लीगल बाइस बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट है। लीगल बाइस
ये बताएं शाहिद साहब के have you read the judgment?
Yes, exactly, sir.
Any criminal issue that you want attended to? Come to the mic.
आपने तो बेसिकली एक अप्रूवर का इशू रेज किया है कि अप्रूवर के स्टेटमेंट के ऊपर कन्विक्शन रिकॉर्ड हुई है।
Admissibility of the confession, sir, since the person
Confession of whom?